This is my yoropen stylus. Put a 3mm bolt on the end, or whatever size the chuck of your spindle is, and the refill is a yoropen refill. You get them in tubes of 10 from Amazon, very cheap, and you just stick it in your stylus. Put a little spring in there. I've got a 6mm diameter spring in there, so you can put a bit of rubber or sponge rubber, anything to give the yoropen refill a little bit of spring so that it can put pressure when you're tracing out your work. So that goes in to the holder. Plug that in and it's ready to trace. You just chuck that into put that into the chuck holder, and it's got the advantage of tracing out exactly where your bit is going to go. I'll just show you it working and drawing out a little butterfly shape or something onto a piece of wood. Right, I've got this picture of the butterfly that I've loaded into ESTL cam, and I'm going to use my marker pen to draw it out onto a piece of plywood. It's a good idea to do this before you cut, just to make sure you've got enough plywood there until you become more confident. So I'm going to load the cut. Upload and start, and it's this one, the butterfly, I've saved, and here we go. Hopefully there you see it being drawn out onto the plywood. Might be better if you put a sheet of paper on top of the plywood, so I'll try that now. Well, I put a piece of paper down there, a bit wrinkly, so I don't know what's going to happen, but we'll start drawing and see what happens. Hopefully you can see it a bit better. Take the camera off. You can see it's drawing that out on the paper now, hopefully. Nice picture of a butterfly. So that's how the little yoropen CNC stylus tracer works. Thank you for watching my video.